In this video, we'll be showing you how to act respectfully during assembly.
We'll also show you what not to do in an assembly.
That video just showed you how to enter an assembly correctly. This next video will show you how not to enter the assembly.
Oh yeah, there was like a whole bunch of people and I was like, what?
The first video showed how to act respectfully in an assembly. As you can see, they are quiet and most of all, respectful. In this next video we're going to show you is just the opposite.
I'm gonna try and push you off the chair. I'm sorry.
Okay, so when in school, you always have to remember.
No.
Now that you have learned how to act respectfully and not respectfully in assembly, you can set a good example to everyone else.
See you next time.